Hello, let us continue. So actually I forgot to trim this arrow here. Just first we will trim this. So edit border. So this arrow size I want to reduce a little bit. Then we will edit the title block. So let me offset a little bit. Modify, offset. Say this line will offset up to here. Then okay. Then we'll trim it. So this is orientation mark. It is okay. I don't want to extend this. So finished border. So let us edit the title block now. Go here, edit, right click, edit title block. Sorry. So we have another already the title block which we have added now. So add a title block. Then we can go here. So the earlier I gave the sample one. So origin block sample one. Then okay. Okay, let us finish title block. So I will go to add a title block and select the previous one. Okay, so this first I will move it. So move, select the entire thing. Move, then this origin point I want to locate here. Then okay, then let us trim, delete all the details here. This everything I will delete this. I want to create a custom made title block. So border we have done it. So for each set, that is for A3, A4, A1, A2, A0, etc., you have to create title block once. After that you can use continuously that one. So just delete this. Then so let us delete everything. This everything will delete. So this we will move it, move. Okay. Now we will extend this, extend. Okay. Now I have the dimensions with me here. I have a drawing I have prepared. So similar way you have to prepare a drawing which consists of all the dimensions. So here we have a so let us say this is 40 and 50. We can offset from here. So go here, modify, offset this line. Here it is 40. Type the value here, 40. Then next 50. You can change this 50. 50 plus 40, 90 you have to give, 90. Okay, let us say this. Now from bottom to we have to add this dimension, that is 15. So go here, modify, offset. So this we will offset to 15. 15. Okay, then here we have another dimension 5.5. So let us do that also. Modify, offset 5.5 as 5.5. Okay, then from here it is 32. You can offset here, offset from here it is 32. Okay, now let us This line we will trim till here. So trim this here, this. Okay, this line we have to delete. Now another one more line is there from here to here, 31.5. So go here, modify, offset. This line we can offset to 31.5. Okay. Now here 6.25, 6.25 and 12.5. So modify, offset. So this is 6.25. Okay. Then we will offset this 12.5, offset this 12.5. Then okay. So trim all the unwanted portions. So now select and delete. This is we have to delete here. This also will delete. And here this portion also we can trim. And this portion here. So we'll trim this too. This too also will trim. So now we'll write. So here the first one is unspecified tolerance, that is Arial of size 2. So text, so just zoom here. So before that let me remove this check option, then go here, text, go here, then so write unspecified tolerance, unspecified tolerance. So this, as I told you, size is 2, Arial. Then we can underline this, then close. So this unspecified tolerance. Then we have to write the text here. Text again, select the text, that is having size 1.8. So just open a window like this. Then this height is 1.8. Then we will type all the values, that is all the text here. Open dimension, then next with 1 decimal, with 1 decimal, with 2 decimal, angular, squareness parallelism, Okay, this much we will write first. Then I think we will just move this little bit downwards. Move this also. Okay, again move. Both will move, this as well as this. Just let us move like this. approximately will centralize once again, centralize this, then OK. Then the other side we will write the next things. So again click and drag here. So this is 1.8 and start with this colon, then just a space, then plus minus. So open dimension have a tolerance of 0.2, then again colon, plus minus. So with one decimal you have to maintain 0.1, 0.1, again colon, plus minus 0.02, 0.02, then angular 0 degree, so degree 0 degree and 30 minute, 30 minute, then colon 0.02. Place it neatly. So we have defined all the dimension tolerances here. Okay, I think it is okay. Next we have to write this this particular name will change for each and every drawing. Anyway, we will make the name, later we can edit. So let me zoom this. So here I have defined some. Okay, I think here also I have to trim this line is not required. So let me write this. So this is Vardhana 4. So just to draw here, so draw a block here. Then this font we will change to Vardhana. Vardhana. Then size we will give 4. Then we will write block. So same name, block 4, drafting exercise. Same name I have given. So this block for drafting exercise. So let me place this to the bottom. Then if you want, you can just move it, centralize this. Okay, so that's it. Now here we have to write scale 1:1, Arial italic 3. So text Arial size 3 italic. Then this is scale 1:1. Actually it is 1.25, so let it be 1:1. Then we can centralize this, move this, okay. Then all dimensions are in mm, that is having size of 2.5. So again size 2.5, 2.5, and italic, all dimensions are in mm. Okay, close. Then we will move it, move, similarly centralize it. Okay, I think I'll just adjust. Okay, scale 1:1, all dimensions are in mm. These two things we have given. Then next, drawn, checked, approved we have to write. So that size is drawn Arial italic 2.5. So I think we'll copy this same thing, then we will edit. So copy, so let me place this somewhere here. Okay, we'll edit this. Drawn, drawn, then we will copy again, copy, here checked, here approved. So this we will edit here, checked, adjust this thing. Then here this is approved. Again this we will adjust. Drawn, checked, approved. Then we will copy this for date. So copy, date. Okay, then again we will copy this same thing. Okay, then here I will write the name here. So we will again copy this, copy, let me just copy this, make this my short name. So let me move a little bit this side, otherwise move this little bit. Okay, then we will copy the same thing, copy this, so this I will change. Okay, if you want, you can, if space is there, you can type your name also, but short name is okay. Then here date, for date what we will do is, well, again do the same thing, copy this. So from this point, say let us come to here. Okay, then we will edit the date as, so let's say today is today 22/03/2020. So same date I'm going to add here, copy, okay, we will give we will just change this 23 and this we will give another one more day. Okay, next if you want to, you can adjust the, I think let us move this, move. Okay, then this also will move. Now next here we have a course code, semester code, drawing number, etc. So here we will write page 24 of 30. So let us do that. Text, say this page 24 of 30. Then we will change the size as Arial italic 2.5. Then we will place it, move it, and properly we will place it. Oh, so this will delete. Here we have drawing number, so that same thing we will copy the entire item, drawing number 0224. So let us make that. That is with the size of Arial 3.5. Number 0224. Okay, then again move little bit downwards. Okay, let it be like that. Then here we have to draw the first angle projection symbol. That size also I have taken. Okay, let us write the remaining thing that we'll do later. So here course code, Arial 3. This is, so here course code CP01. Then we will centralize this, close. Just we will move little bit downwards. Okay, now copy this item. So transform from this point to here. So this is semester code. So type here semester code (02). So this 02 we will change to 3.5. Now let me adjust little bit. Okay, you can adjust properly little bit. So let me move little bit here. Okay, that much we have done. Now here we have Arial bold 2.2. So text here, Arial bold 2.2. So here NetTour Technical Training Foundation, NetTour Technical Training Foundation, HO Pina, Bangalore 560058. Close. So this we will centralize this, centralize, close. Now we have to adjust. So actually the Tour Technical Training Foundation, remaining thing we have to maintain. So like this we can move little bit downwards. Okay, here we have to insert our logo. So let us do that. So go here, insert image. So I already downloaded the image. So this image open, just place somewhere here. Okay, then this, select this, then reduce the size. So we have to copy this. It is not recommended because whenever we draw a black and white figure, this will not be appears properly. So what we will do, we will copy this same figure into sheet, then we'll delete the image. So go here, so we'll mirror it. It's now mirror. Okay, let us sketch. I think there is no mirror. Delete this. Then we'll trace this also, this particular. I think we'll offset to offset. Let us again offset. Now let us trim all the unwanted portions. So here another one more line. Modify offset. Trim. Let us offset this also to here. This line also. Let us delete this, trim all the unwanted portions. Let us delete this. Let us trim this also online. Let us draw two circles here. Let us draw this N now. Just draw this N. Let me draw offset this line through this point here, also here. Then trim all the unwanted portions. This will trim it. Okay, let us delete these 3 lines. Now let us draw this line here. Draw one more line. Now let us trim. Once again that circle got deleted, I think, somehow. So we'll copy this once again. Then OK. Now we can delete this. Okay. Then we will write this letter: securing your future with your own hands. So let us write somewhere here. So let us take 0.22, something small, letter small. So that font, we will check what is the font. We will write securing your future with your own hands. Let's move and scale it. Move this. Let's change the size to 1.5. .25. we need to modify a little bit, so I think we will go for aerial narrow. Aerial narrow is okay, then we will little bit increase the size. .4. Then let us delete this image here. Okay, then we will move it. This line also will delete. Now we can move this and place properly. Move. Now here one more thing we have to draw, that is our first angle projection symbol. So what I am going to do is I am going to copy the image. So I will come here, then take the snipping tool. So let me take this particular portion here. Okay, then file, save as, save this drawing. Now I am going to insert it once again. So go here, insert, image, this figure, open. So let me place somewhere. Okay, then reduce the scale. Now let me draw this. So let me move this somewhere else. Okay, let us draw this figure. So let me move this. Okay, then again we'll draw here. Trim all the unwanted portions here. trim this. So now let us delete this. So I think better I will draw a rectangle then. Two 2.2 we will offset 2.2, 2.25. Now we will draw this line. Let us delete this also, then trim all the unwanted portions. Now draw circle. Now let us extend. So move. Then move both of this. Okay. Now we can delete this figure. Now let us convert this line to a smaller thickness. So let us draw two more line. It's not straight, so we'll offset this. So I think we'll offset this once again little bit. And extend. Trim also, trim. Then we will move this also will offset. So before that we will move this. So we have just converted into a center line. This also we will do that. So like this we have completed this finished title block. So that's all for title block and this border. Remaining this view we will discuss in the next video.